target S Pen. The smartphone comes with 12GB RAM and 256GB storage. The dynamic AMOLED 2X display comes with 1750 nits brightness and 120Hz refresh rate. It is equipped with an advanced pro-grade camera for better pictures. The smartphone runs on Android 12 with 5G ready, powered by Galaxy's first 4nm processor. The 5000 mAh lithium-ion battery provides extended battery life. The box includes handset, ejection pin, data cable and quick start guide. This product comes with standard brand warranty.
Hey guys, today I'll show you the unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra 5G. On the front, you can see the phone's name. So let's open the box. First, you can see the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra 5G. The phone has a punch-hole display. The device offers a stunning 108-megapixel quad camera setup at the back. Also, you can see Samsung branding at the bottom. The phone looks stunning. Next is this black box. We have a SIM ejector tool and documentation like a quick start guide and regional lock guide, which will give you information about the phone. Next is a USB Type-C to Type-C cable for charging the phone and transferring the data. So guys, that's all you get inside the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra 5G box. Thank you so much for watching this video.